Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope everybody is in good spirit. Well, a Portland man has been charged for injuring his brother in a machete attack during a dispute. Charged with wounding with intent is 43-year-old Ian Brown, a laborer of Tom's Hope. The incident happened in the community on Sunday, August the 18th. Reports from the Port Antonio police are that Brown and his brother got into an altercation when he used a machete to chop him, causing wounds which bled. He was rushed to hospital where he was treated and released. A teenager was crushed to death inside a shipping container that he was unloading in his community after Grand Spend in St. Andrew on Friday night. The deceased has been identified as Gary Jones, 18 years of age. The incident happened about 8:30 p.m. The container was reportedly laden with boxes of laminated glass. One of the boxes reportedly fell on Jones. Mighty God of Daniel. The Grand Spend police are now investigating. My wisdom warriors, this is very sad. This is very, very sad. St. Andrew the teen crushed in the shipping container. I don't even want to imagine it, my wisdom warriors. This is like really deadly. On a serious level. I just want to say rest in peace and my condolence goes out to the family. Police Commissioner Dr. Kevin Blake says the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF apprehended a number of gang leaders in targeted police and military operation last month. My wisdom warriors, to how it seems, well, to me personally, it's like them just catch people and just lock them up. But really and truly, who is behind all this killing? Who is behind all this killing? The killing will happen at Church Lane. They must say they arrest people, but are those people really behind those killings? We have to think about that, Are those people really behind the killings, my wisdom warriors? To me, it just look like them just lock up some youth and just say, the youth them do it. And that me I get from it, my wisdom warriors. So they never know say all these gangs was there from how long, from Wapikil Philip. So how after the church really, them just find one bag of people. No man, it just to me it just not in it really not sit right with me, my wisdom warriors. This not sit well with me at all. But when you tell me what you think about this and put an honest opinion in the comment section. Hear this. The primary caregiver of missing 4-year-old boy Shaquille Patterson says search parties have still not gathered any clues that could lead them to locating the child who disappeared on Sunday. The infant from Burham District in Westmoreland went missing from the neighboring community of Friendship, where his family was at a grave digging at the family plot. Patterson's primary caregiver is his grandaunt Trisha Thomas, who has been caring for him since he was 2 weeks old. So my wisdom warriors, I don't say what go on right now, no clues. All them look, them still can't find the little boy. Where is this little boy? That is the question, Where is he? Who take this little boy? Who take this little boy? Apparently, my wisdom warriors, they are saying, some people are say, the little pitney them when did I play with, the cousin them when did I play with, allegedly, let me use this term, allegedly, them say the little boy go on bike with his father. And that is what me I hearing on my wisdom warriors. Me can't tell you no say I saw it go yes or no. This is why I'm saying allegedly. So if that is a family plot, but you know what, me always I tell people say keep on the eye on pitney. Keep on an eye on a pitney. Jaja, because look at this now. Just because it is a family plot, yeah, people now go think say somebody go take with the little boy. Nobody now go think that. But that's why we have to keep on the eye on a pitney, because look at this now. Nobody no know where this little boy there. And I hope the police them look deep into this, I hope them a look deep and a question the auntie, the father, the brother, the cousin them when did I play with. I hope them definitely I look into this, my wisdom warriors, because I really feel sorry for the little boy, you know. He's only 4 years old, you know. He's only 4 years old. Only God alone know where this little boy is there right now. We not even know if him dead. We not even know if he's still alive. But more than like we see the police them go out and does a search. More than like we see them a search. Send out a search party if we start search for the little boy. I not see that a go on. I just the people in the community are search. I not see what is really going on. What is really going on? My wisdom warriors, tell me one thing, yeah, man, because I say it already on one of my videos. I'm going to say it again. Human trafficking, child trafficking, big in a Jamaica. So keep on your eye upon a pitney. Tell a friend, if you tell a friend. My wisdom warriors, Uber have some good news for you. So, the ride-sharing platform Uber has launched a new video recording feature geared towards prioritizing the safety of users and drivers in Jamaica. Uber, in a statement on Thursday, says drivers or customers will be able to record their experiences through their front-facing cameras. According to the company, drivers will see an indication in the Uber app when recording is happening. So, that a go on from what a go on. Uber introduces new video recording feature to Jamaica. Tell me what you think about it.
Mr. Speaker, the government is not serious about agriculture and food security, and it is reflected in the estimates of expenditure that were tabled. Critical areas are being neglected. Farm roads expenditure has been reduced. Extension services, which provide guidance to farmers, is flat. Technical support is being decreased. And most importantly, research and development only gets a 2.7% increase, which is way below inflation. The allocation for irrigation, which supports the National Irrigation Commission, is also flat, while Essex Valley and Southern Plains projects are coming to an end, having undergone numerous extensions. Examples of areas for growth in agriculture include supporting research and activities like extracting oils, and flavors, developing value-added products from our agricultural produce, and capturing economic potential from waste from harvesting. The quality of our produce is world-renowned and is part of our overall creative product in the country. We're also sorely disappointed by the direction that the medicinal and therapeutic ganja industry has been taken since the PNP government decriminalized its use in 2015 and created a platform for a new lawful industry to emerge. Our cannabis sector must be developed in a way that is far more inclusive for small farmers who now find themselves marginalized and excluded. Madam Speaker, the issue of abuse of women and crimes against women is a big issue in our society. Women are frequently the victims of abduction and other forms of violence. Arising out of the very tragic murder of a young lady earlier this year, Ms. Jackson, a debate took place amongst lawyers and in social media as to whether or not pepper spray was lawful. The Offensive Weapons Prohibition Act gives a distinct impression that pepper spray is not unlawful and is not subject to the treatment as an offensive weapon. However, the Firearms Act, because it has some very wide definitions in it, makes the matter unclear. And the matter has been the subject of a court decision which suggests that because of the way the Firearms Act is worded, pepper spray cannot be lawfully carried for personal protection. I believe that it's a non-toxic substance, and I believe it's important that we empower our women to protect themselves. I am therefore seeking leave of the House to introduce the following private members' bills. 1. A bill shortly entitled the Firearms Amendment Act 2021, and secondly, a bill shortly entitled the Offensive Weapons Prohibition Amendment Act 2021, which will clarify the situation in this regard. And I would ask for leave of the House, Madam Speaker, to table the bills.
Members, the question before the House is that the member be granted leave to introduce both bills mentioned. Those in favour? Those against? The ayes have it. Leave granted. Opposition.
My wisdom warriors, wanna see there's a reason why I show this, you know. Yes, man, there's a reason why I show this, because a lot of people are say Mark Golden not do this and Mark Golden no care about nobody. Listen to this, man. Wanna see Mark Golden come out and say the woman them need to carry pepper spray and the bill pass. The bill pass. So ladies, guess what? If una never know, una can carry pepper spray around, because when these people ready to take set pan the woman them, and then guess what? There's no backative. You understand? A pepper spray we backative. So all who get up and talk about Mark Golden and do this and Mark Golden not implement this. A long time Mark Golden not implement things. From him a justice minister. I know for never know some Mark Golden was a justice minister. Long time Mark Golden not implement things. You understand? I just show them now, show it up. And show because Andrew Wellness mouthpiece then and show it up. That's why enough people don't know. Enough people don't know. A whole heap of crime and violence are going on, and there's no crime plan. And now we don't see Andrew Holness come up with no crime plan. Only thing he must say, declare war. And even right now, Andrew Holness say they still not have enough security. And that thing say, they still not have enough security. You can't imagine? Look how the healthcare a struggle. And you know, see Andrew Holness come out, him and Christopher Tufton, and talk how them are going to buy this and buy that. No, he spend the whole of Jamaica money in a security. Inner security and crime not reduce. Even though you hear them come out and talk about crime and reduce, crime is not reducing, because we see what is happening around us, my wisdom warriors. We're not fool about yeah. We see what is happening, and we must know if crime are reduced. And crime is not reducing, so they want we to believe say crime are reduced. But guess what? We are not safe. I'm going to say it before I'm going to say it again. We are not safe. So, no make Andrew Holness and the regime trick uno. Because if you no follow them, you go dead. You understand? If you no follow them, you go dead. Because crime not reduce. The crime get worse, my wisdom warriors. And we have to be very, very careful. You understand me? Always watch on the head back. You get me? Because right now, me see Horace Chan come out, me play it earlier. Today, in the day, how Horace Chan come out and he must say, right now, the crime and violence gone in Westmoreland. You understand? Listen, crime and violence, they're all over Jamaica. All over Jamaica. So what happened to the people them in St. Elizabeth there? See what happened to the people them in Portland there? So crime they're all about in Jamaica. You understand? No, we're not safe. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put on an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome, guys. Don't forget to put something in the PayPal. The PayPal information is going to be in the comment section. Remember to run over to my TikTok and my IG page. Follow me. The link I got there in the comment section. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.